This is my K60-750 CO2 Laser Engraver / cutter from SeriousWholesaler on eBay. I've had this for about 2.5 months now, had no issues with it whatsoever. Have no issues with it cutting through 5mm plywood, engraving. It's just an amazing machine, I absolutely love it. One of the things that I did right off the bat was I put a milliamp gauge on it just to make sure that I'm not pushing this thing too hard. And so what I found is 22 milliamps is about the max you want to do, and so I keep it below 20. So at 65% on the 60 watt puts it right at about 19 milliamps, which is perfect, and everything that I need to cut, it cuts it just fine. So any type of new wood I get or acrylic, I just put this test cut in there, and what it does, it just determines exactly what speed. So it starts off at 10 millimeters a second at 65% power, and then goes 11, 12, blah blah blah. So, and then I can determine, depending on the wood type, what it can actually cut. The problem is that the other day I was engraving and I heard just the normal vaporizing of the wood from the laser, and all of a sudden it just got really quiet, and I come over, and when I was engraving it was bouncing between 0 and 10 milliamps, and I come over here and it's going between 0 and 2, and I look back and my engraving is now nothing at all. So it's not getting any power whatsoever. So I was just trying to figure out exactly what might be the issue. So I cleaned the tungsten posts, and I put the high voltage wire back on the anode, cleaned the cathode side, cleaned the wire, put it back on there again, tested it again, still no luck. So I went and bought a voltage divider. So this is 1,000 divider. So whatever I read right here, it's actually going to be times 1,000. So if I hook that right there and look, so right now I'm about 1,500 volts on the anode side without the laser even firing. So let me set this here so I can just stay hooked to that. And now if I do a pulse, let's see what I'm at for pulse right now. Minimum power, okay, minimum power, I'm at 98%. So enter. If I hit pulse, you can watch the milliamp gauge. It goes up just about 2 milliamps. And when I look at my voltage divider, I'm roughly at 10,000 volts. So I'm thinking it's the power supply that's not functioning properly, but I'm not too sure. So I also noticed that when I hit the test button, I'll just keep it up here. Well, I'll show you the test button. The test button right down there. When I hit that, from everything I've read, I've been told that that actually fires a laser. So when I hit it, you can see that it goes up to 3,900 volts, but that's still not enough to excite the laser. And if I hit pulse, and I look over here, you can see just a faint purplish laser going, but as you look along here, there's absolutely nothing in the tube this way, so it all kind of just gathers right at the end. So I'm hoping somebody can help me figure out exactly what's going on with this so I can happily go back to laser engraving. Thank you.